We'll write down mole concept for solids and liquids. 1 mole of H2O liquid, we know its Avogadro number of molecules. We know its molar mass is 18 gram. But can we write down it is 22.4 liter? Answer is no. Why you cannot write? Because it is liquid. And 22.4 liter discussion is applicable for gas. Then how to write down volume? You can write down volume from mass. Take that mass and divide by density. You'll get volume. So what is the density of water? 1. So it is 18 ml. So now you can even write down mole concept for liquid water. 1 ml, 1 mole of water, Avogadro number of molecules, 18 gram, and you realize it is 18 ml. So how you got this? Volume wala factor, you got volume by using a relation mass upon density. Using that relation, we got this volume. Similarly, if you take 1 mole of aluminium solid, it will have 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 molecules. Its atomic mass 27. Because it is made up of only one atom, so its molecular mass is atomic mass only. And what will be its volume? Will it be 22.4 liter? Answer is no, because it is solid. Then how to get volume? Take this mass and divide by density of aluminium. You will get the answer in ml, because mass is in gram and generally density are written in gram per ml. So your answer is 27 divided by density of aluminium. Density of aluminium will be given in the exam. If you substitute that, you will be able to get it. So numericals. Simple numericals based on mole concept. Find mass of 1 mole, 2 moles of hydrogen. Whenever such type of questions are there, first write down universal mole concept. 1 mole of hydrogen is Avogadro number of molecules, which has a mass of 2 gram and occupies volume of 22.4 liter. This is what we can write down, because hydrogen is a gas. In the exam, will they give you hydrogen is a gas or liquid? Answer is no. We as a student, from our past chemistry knowledge and the current 11th standard knowledge, we should know how does a substance exist. After writing universal concept, you should write down what is given. What is given? Given is 2 moles. And what they are asking? They are asking mass. So below mass, I have put a question mark. Below mole, I have given the given data. That means now I should not bother about the other data. This data I should not bother about. This data I should not bother about. I am not cancelling. We are not going to get bothered about this. That means you should be bothered about this. 1 mole is 2 gram and 2 mole is question mark. And what you should do? Now cross multiply. And when you cross multiply, you will get the answer. So cross multiplication will give you the answer. 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 1. That means 4 gram. So answer is 4 gram. We go to the next. Third one. Find number of molecule present in 6 ml of water. Again, what we do? We write down universal mole concept for water. We know water is liquid. 1 mole of water has Avogadro number of molecules. It has mass of how much? 18 gram. And for water, every gram is 1 ml. So 18 gram is 18 ml. We have used density concept to get this. For water, you have to remember it. What next? We'll write down given 6 ml. Below volume, I have written volume. You know that you can't write 22.4 for water. Why? Because water is liquid. 22.4 is written for gas. And then you put question mark below molecules. What next? Consider only this much part. You should know for solving any such numerical by unitary method, there should be 1 unknown and 3 data should be available. If you have 3 data and 1 unknown, then a unitary method you can calculate. Whatever you will get will be called as number of molecules. So number of molecules will be Na multiplied by 6 divided by 18. And if you calculate, it is 1 by 3 Na. If your examination gives you 1 by 3A as an answer, then you will put it like that. Or you can exactly calculate Na is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, multiply and divide, or sorry, you will get the corresponding answer. So 2.077, right? 2.007 into 10 to the power 23 is the answer. Coming to the fourth question. In a fourth question, what is given? Methanol. And it is given 20 ml. And they have given density of methanol. Now, is methanol, first question, is it solid, liquid, or gas? One thing is there. If they have given density and they have given volume, that means it is not gas. Okay. For your information, methanol is a colorless liquid used in a compact CD cleaning liquid. It is used for cleaning electronics, and it is also used in whiteboard markers. What is the first task? When they give you volume, get the mass, because in mole concept, mass is more useful for liquids than the volume. For mole concept, mass is more useful for liquids and solids. How to get mass? Volume multiplied by density. Volume is 20 ml and density is 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. We are aware centimeter cube and ml are actually same. So they get cancelled out. So what you will get here? You will get as 16 gram. Now what we do? So what is the given? Mass is 16 gram. Then what we do now? We write down mole concept for methanol. Methanol is a liquid. So how you write down? 1 mole of methanol is Avogadro number of molecules. It has a mass of how much? If you add all the atomic masses, you come to know it is 32 grams. Okay, so 32 grams, this much. What next? Given, you can't write 22.4 because it is liquid. Given, because we have already converted volume to mass, we'll use that 16 gram. Moles they are asking, molecules they are asking. How you are supposed to solve two question marks? What you will do? First, you will cross multiply this and get the answer. So cross multiply this and get the answer. If you cross multiply this and get the answer is 0.5 moles. What next? How to do the next one? Cross multiply this. If you cross multiply this, you will get this as answer. And what is the answer that you will get? Cross multiply 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. I am not showing the cross multiplication. I am directly showing how to do it karke. You remember this? So cross multiply in section and you will be able to get the answer. You understood this, how to do it karke? Similar is question number 5, in which I can show you clearly more and better. It is given, find the volume of volume at STP, number of molecules present in 3.4 gram of ammonia. Ammonia is liquid. They have also mentioned. Generally also we are aware. So what we do? We write down 1 mole of ammonia as 6.022. If you want to avoid writing, you can write on Na, that means number of molecules. Then this corresponds to how much? This corresponds to 17 gram. Is it a gas? Yes, 22.4 liter. What next? What is given? They'll always give. They have given 3.4 gram. And they are asking you volume. And they are asking you molecules. What next? You will cross multiply this. If you cross multiply this, you will get number of molecules. So first cross multiplication I am doing. So answer is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 3.4 divided by 70. If you do that, you will get as answer as 1.2044 into 10 to the power 23. That's the first part. What is the next part? Then cross multiply this part. If you cross multiply this part, you will get volume. So cross multiplication is 3.4 into 22.4 divided by 17. So it is 4.48 liters. That's the next answer. You understood this? 2 question marks also can be calculated. Remember, right, in the pink shaded part we have shown, right, there is only one question mark. In cross multiplication or unitary method, there should be only one question mark. If you go to the next, in this case also, you will realize there is only one question mark. This is what is the method of getting this.